Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I have the JamJake here, which is this pencil, which is a stylus pen, and this works for the iPad 6 all the way to the 11th generation. All right, so this is what the product looks like. We have already done an unboxing and an initial impressions. So of course, if you have this particular pen, I'm going to show you how to make sure it's working. All right, so one of the first thing you want to do in terms of to make sure that it's working. All right, so you're going to go ahead guys and you're going to get the pen. Now in this current state it's not going to work, so if you see here it's not working, and that's because you'll need to turn it on. To turn it on, simply tap or double tap, a firm tap to the top of the pen, and you'll see the blue LED indicating that it's working. Right, so now you can see that it controls the tablet fully. So just in case yours is not working, this is what you do. You tap again to preserve battery and turn it off. So as you can see, it doesn't respond. All right, so that's very easy in terms of these. I'm sure others work the same. So all right, so in order to make sure it's working, it should work out the box, meaning as soon as you take it out of the box, it should automatically work without you doing much. But just in case, sometimes your settings might be modified, so you're gonna go into your settings, so make sure it's working. Go into your settings. Once you're in your settings as seen here, you're gonna go to Apple Pencil. Once you're on the Apple Pencil, make sure this setting is off, which says only draw with Apple Pencil. If this is set to on, it can affect this, and of course you don't want that to happen. And of course you can see my general settings here, so you can actually copy these, but the main one is this one here that says only draw with Apple Pencil. Also, you can search for any Apple Pencil related settings, so go ahead and type in Apple Pencil depending on which version you are. I'm on the latest version of iOS, so for example, you can also go to notes under apps and check to see if there's any Apple Pencil options there. As of now, there's none for me, so the key one is to make sure this is off. So if it's not off or this one is on for you, it can affect the functionality of the pen, and of course that's how you get it set up. And of course you can go ahead now and make your notes and draw. All right, so I hope this was useful, and see you in the next one guys. Bye.